good afternoon, each and every gentleman, those who are looking or watching this webinar, that is marketing sentiment analysis. So, as we know, that today each and every company, whether it is a pharmaceutical company or it's a uh, textile company or it's a grocery company or it's a media advertisement company, each and every company is looking for the audience. And if I talk about audiences or customer or spectators, we have to find out the need of the customers. And according to the need of the customer, we have to find out the product designing. And with that product designing, we simply deliver the value to our customer. And how do we come to know about what customers need? कैसे हमको मालूम पड़ेगा कि कस्टमर क्या चाहता है? For that purpose, nowadays the companies are using social media platform. In the social media platform, we do the content analysis by the process of natural language programming processes. And with that natural language programming processes, we would come to know what is the market think about the product and the services for which my company is delivering. So today we are going to execute that sentimental analysis with the help of coding and programming. May be possible कि आपको वो कोडिंग और प्रोग्रामिंग नहीं आती हो, लेकिन फॉर द सेक ऑफ कन्वीनियंस यू शुड नो कि ऐसा भी कोई प्रोसेस होता है जिसके थ्रू हम सेंटिमेंट या मार्केट एनालिसिस कर सकते हैं. सो फॉर दैट फर्स्ट वी विल गो टू दैट बार एंड वी विल टाइप हियर CMD. CMD stands for command panel. So here you see Anaconda prompt. I am just open this Anaconda prompt and I will do certain exercise. I will type E colon, that means access E directory. Then I will CD E colon machine learning folder. By doing this, I have directed and I have given instruction to my computer that go to my E directory and find out the folder machine learning. And in machine learning folder, there is a Jupyter notebook. That Jupyter notebook open. Now I have given the command to the system that in go to the E directory, open machine learning folder. And in a machine learning folder, there is a platform, Jupyter. So open the Jupyter notebook and the machine is in the background doing all the processes. So let us do one by one. Now it's open. Here you are looking that I have done all the processes 5 years, 4 years back when the people are not knowing about these things. So today we will go for Bombay Stock Exchange analysis. Because as you know, the stock exchange is market driven and the market driven or sentiment driven. So anything happens in our environment or in our surrounding, it surely affects the stock exchange phenomenon. Let us clear all. I have cleared all the functions. So here I have mentioned certain code. So the first code is here is pip install tpi. The most of the political parties or the celebrities are following the Twitter, and the Twitter is the only social media sites which is providing the platform to the companies through which the companies can fetch out the tweets, and while analyzing the tweets they can predict what is happening inside the market. So To fetch out the tweet, we have to first download the TP. The TP stands for PIP, Python Index Packaging. So for run the code, I will just give control command plus enter, and here you can see that the code is running. Black sign means the code is running in the background and it is fetching the data. It will take some time, but definitely. Now they have fetched all the data. So now I will go to fetch the text blob, which can read all the text that is written by the Twitter user. Control plus enter. Again, the code is running. Now it is over. Now PIP install word cloud. That PIP again stands for Python index packaging. And I'm instructing my system to install word cloud. If there is 2000 tweets, which word is more prominently used by the different user, I can find out those words by looking the word clouds. So again, I'm controlling plus enter, given the command to my system to find out the word cloud. Again, within a fraction of second, they have downloaded. Now, whatever packages I have downloaded, these packages are having different libraries like TP, Text Blob, Word Cloud, Panda, NumPy, Re, log files, matplotlib.pyplot, splt. These libraries are simply meant to do different functions. Like if I talk about import pandas spd. So different user tweets differently. So all the tweets I will frame it in a data frame. After framing all the tweets in a data frame, I will perform some mathematical formulation, mathematical computing by using NumPy. NumPy is nothing. It is simply a short form of numerical Python. So again, I will run this code. And after running this code, the process is going at the back end and they will upload all the libraries from the packages. It will take near about 5 to 6 seconds only. So let us wait 5 to 6 seconds. Here you can find out that time signature is going on. So with time signature, you can find out whether the code is running or code is run totally. So now you can find out that book is available for editing. Now what I want to search, here I have mentioned a thing, bank with freedom. Earlier, there was so many incidents were happened when the government was going to privatize all the government banks. So you have seen in earlier days is so many frauds and the fraudulent people like Lalit Modi, Nirav Modi, Mehul Choksi, the people those who have take a loan from that banks and default the loan, and the banks lose their money. So government transformed those banks to the in a private sector, but the people those who are working in a government bank they oppose it. So they ran a campaign, bank with freedom. So I want to know how many people are with this campaign. So I will just put control plus enter and give the command. Now I want 1000 tweets, 1000 tweets इस सब्जेक्ट से रिलेटेड मैं डाउनलोड कर लेता हूं. नाउ इट इज डाउनलोडेड. Now I want to see how many tweets are downloaded. It is showing API is not defined. Okay, let me define the API first. Now, these are the 5 tweets that I fetch out from the Twitter, and these are the access point are known as API, that application programming interface through which we can go to the Twitter portal and we can fetch out the data. If I shows the total 5 tweets of today, that's Sant Anu Chakra has tweeted some URL link. Then RT Sant Anuchakra, India requires more than one vibrant exchange, tweaking products to Enviolin BSE. Somebody retweeted it. Bombay Stock Exchange wishes you Eid Mubarak. Eid Mubarak, and shared some URL. BSC wishes you happy Akshaya Tritiya. Today is might be Akshaya Tritiya. So I have fetched those tweets, but I want to show all the tweets. Look, these are the tweets that I fetch out from the Twitter, and these tweets are impossible to be read because they are in raw form. So I have to convert it into the structured form. So I will create all these Twitter into a data set where I can read it more clearly. So I convert it. Now you can see 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Here is the tweets. Here is the number. So again, I will go to clean some remove of URLs because URL doesn't give me any kind of sense to me, क्योंकि URL पढ़ के मुझे नहीं मालूम पड़ेगा कि ये URL क्या बोलना चाहता है. There might be some images or emoji like at the rate. So I would remove these kind of substance that doesn't make sense. So I will run the code. Now I remove all the URLs, all the emojis, and all the non making sense words from the Twitter account. Next. Here you can find out the tweets. That tweets, then its subjectivity, then its polarity. Means what? India requires more than one vibrant exchange. That is subjectivity, means that tweet is somehow related with the subject, and that polarity means it gives some positive impact. Means what? कि ये जो ट्वीट आप देख रहे हैं ये ट्वीट सब्जेक्ट से रिलेटेड है. नॉर्मली द बैंक वांट्स फ्रीडम एंड दैट गिव्स सम पॉजिटिव impact signing. Now I want to create a word cloud of it. Let me create a word cloud. So listing, ceremony, Sudarshan News, Pharma, Industries Limited, Bombay Stock Exchange, Ajay Thakur, Safe Investing, Pharma Industries, AMP. These are the most commonly words used by the, you can say, uh, in my Twitter account that I have downloaded. Then let me create the polarity of today's. This tweet, subjectivity is 0.4166, polarity 0.33, and it is positive. BSC wishes you Eid Mubarak. So Eid Mubarak doesn't make any sense. That bank with the freedom. So its subjectivity is 0, its polarity is 0, and it is considered as a neutral. Neither this tweet is in favor of the bank with freedom nor against in the bank with freedom. ये ट्वीट जो है ना तो ये बैंक विथ फ्रीडम के फेवर में जाता है ना ये उसके नेगेटिव में जाता है. तो दिस इज ऑल अबाउट द सेंटिमेंट एनालिसिस. लेट मी रन द कोड अगेन. What I do, whatever tweet I have downloaded from the Twitter account, I separated those tweets into 3 different segments. Total number of positive tweets, then total negative tweets, the people those who are saying negative statement about those bank with freedom. These are the tweets. Now I'm going to create a graph, sentiment analysis. Here you can find out this is the 0 point. These points are on the left hand side of the zero. That means these tweets are the negative tweets, and the tweets that is right hand side of zero, these are the positive tweets. That means more number of tweets are on right hand side, those who are giving positive signal that people wants that bank should give the freedom to find out to whom they want to give loan, to whom they want to operate. So that kind of freedom the bank should require. The people are in the favor of the bank should give more freedom to perform their operation, and very few people are against of it. So let me check the percentage. So 38% people are in the favor of that bank should have more freedom. How many people are against of it? So 25% people are against of it. Here you can see 35% people are positive that it says that people should have or the bank should have more freedom. Again, 34% people are neutral, those who are neither in the favor of the bank should have freedom nor against that the bank should have more freedom. They are neutral. ये ना तो ये कहते हैं कि बैंक को ज्यादा आजादी मिलनी चाहिए, ना ये इसका विरोध करते हैं कि बैंक को और आजादी नहीं मिलनी चाहिए. केवल 25% पीपल हैं जो कहते हैं कि हाँ बैंक को फ्रीडम नहीं मिलनी चाहिए. नाउ लेट अस क्रिएट ए पाई चार्ट फॉर दैट sentiment analysis. So with this kind of data analysis or data visualization, we can find out how we can find out the meaningful information from the social media sites, and by finding out that marketing insight, we can plan the next course of action. So with this note, I would like to thank today's session. So thank you and call it a day. Thank you.